We're gonna make a rack, a cargo rack. We're gonna weld it right here. And sanding it down. Won't you demonstrate what it might look like upon the mini bike? Yeah, I mean, yo, see? That's what's up. Yeah, we'll do something like that, and then we can put a milk crate on it.
Yeah.
What's up, everyone? I was so hyped to do this project because I just bought a welder, and yeah, there's some crappy booger welds, but you know what? Be nice to me. This is my first welding project. Also, if this video hits 100 likes, I'm turning my old grill into a sidecar for my mini bike. So, yeah.
This side. There. Like look through wells real quick.
I just kind of like gummed it up in there.
Yeah.
Alright.
My turn?
Your turn.
Oh, who would have thought about it? We could have welded that on. We can always do that later.
We still can, but I don't know if I want to weld it on. Yo, but actually...
That'd be kind of cool.
Man, we can still weld it.
We can grind off the paint and do it later, but it's wet right now, so it wouldn't be the best time.
No, that's true. This does add so much more character.
It does.
Alright, so what I thought I was going to do was to get a milk crate and attach a milk crate to this, but then I found, yeah, wire bucket. So I got to grind off the paint that we just put on it last night, because this is going to be way cooler than a milk crate. Way more character. On a whim, I just decided that I wanted to paint the fenders. Just had some green paint laying around. I'm like, why not? I'm just gonna paint over everything, cause screw it, why not? They got a sticker right there, I don't care, I'm gonna paint over the sticker. We'll flip them over, there's dirt on the other side. Paint over the dirt, it's okay. All right, let's paint over the dirt. Yeah.